Hello everyone, I am Lakshmi Das, working as a volunteer in applied forensic research science. Here I am performing a practical on the topic measurement of nasal parameters using digital Vernier Caliper. Let's start with the aim. To measure the nasal parameters using digital Vernier Caliper. For the measurement of nasal parameters, materials required are digital Vernier Caliper, consent form, gloves, pen, paper and scale. Moving to the theory of practical. There are total 4 nasal parameters, that is nasal breadth, nasal height, nasal length and nasal depth. Here I took 2 nasal parameters, that is nasal height and nasal breadth. Nasal height measured from nasion to subnasal and nasal breadth measured from right alley to left alley. Measurement of nasal parameters depend on landmark. The landmark used in nasal height are nasion and subnasal. Nasion located in the middle point of nasofrontal suture, and subnasal is the point where a line touching the lower margin of the nasal aperture crosses the mid-sagittal plane. And for nasal breadth, the landmark is alley, that is situated in right alley and left alley. So measurement also taken from right alley to left alley. Alley is the expanded outer wall of cartilage on each side of the nose. After measuring nasal height and nasal breadth, find out nasal index. The nasal index can be calculated by the formula nasal breadth by nasal height into 100. Instrument used to measure nasal parameters is digital Vernier Caliper with an accuracy of 0.01 millimeter. Use gloves before taking a measurement. Consent form should be included the name, age, state and signature of the participants. Move to the procedure part. After get the consent, take measurement. Measurement was taken by allow the participants to sit in a relaxed position with the head in its anatomical position and facial muscles should be relaxed. Take a digital Vernier caliper and correct its accuracy and then do the measurement. The accuracy is 0.01 millimeter. It should be check whether the accuracy is changed or not, or it is in a negative or it is in an inch. It must be in millimeter position and it must be in accuracy of 0.01 millimeter. After all correction, do the measurement. First do the nasal height. For that, take a digital Vernier caliper and take the measurement from nasion to subnasal. Correct the position and check the measurement. What is the accurate measurement of the nasal height of that particular person? After that, close the digital caliper. Do the measurement of nasal breadth from right alley to left alley. After taking the measurement, write it on the paper. Record each measurement in the paper and then find the nasal index by using the formula of nasal breadth by nasal height into 100. Going to the observation part. Here I observe the nasal height and nasal breadth from the participants and also observe nasal index value from each participants by using the formula. Here I took measurement of 10 individuals including 5 males and 5 females. Going to the result part. The measurement of nasal parameters with the help of a digital Vernier caliper has been done and observe the nasal index value also. Next, forensic significance. The forensic significance of nasal parameters, which will be valuable in nasal anthropometry for clinical practice in reconstructive surgery, rhinoplasty, and in forensic anthropology. In forensic anthropology, it would be helpful in finding unidentified body remains by knowing the race determination, age determination, and sexual determination. Precautions. Wear gloves during measurement. Don't forget to take consent from participants. Try to take a correct measurement. If the facial muscles is not in a corrected position, the measurement also should be changed. So his or her facial muscles and head should be in an anatomical position and a relaxed position. So hope you understand the practical of measurement of nasal parameters by using digital Vernier caliper. Thank you.